Hey, what's up to my beautiful people? Thanks for checking out this video. So I am going to show you how to get some salon quality kinky inspired twist on natural hair without using any weave. Before I go ahead and talk kinky twist, I like to take a moment to go ahead and thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. I definitely feel the positive energy. Just thank you so much for holding me down. And if this is your first time tuning into my channel, welcome. I'm glad that you're here. If you like the actual content that you see, please feel free to definitely subscribe. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that way you don't miss out on any future content that I drop. Whether you are a subscriber or not, if you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and definitely share it because that helps with my channel. So let's go ahead and talk kinky twist. First, make sure that your hair is wet for this entire process. Secondly, all of the products that you see, I applied all of these products to each section of my hair prior to twisting it. My hair type is 4C. My curl pattern is really undefined. It's all over the place, but with the combination of products that I use, it actually had the curls at the end just looking like so fabulous. This is an awesome workout style. I actually hit the gym a couple of times. When I went into the gym, my hair looked fabulous. When I came out, it still looked fabulous. I mean, it's a flawless style for working out. Now, it did last me about a week and a half, but at that time when I took it out, it still looked great. I could have easily kept this style for like at least 2 weeks, if not longer. Lastly, please be sure that you watch the entire video because throughout the video, you'll see different screen pop-ups that will appear on your screen that has additional tips just to help you perfect the style. And of course, towards the end of the video, I will also include a couple of links for some of my other videos. So don't forget to smash that like button. Feel free to leave me some comments and enjoy.